In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get free stocks, taking advantage of the stock market right now. And from what I've seen over the trend for years, is the people that are most successful with stocks are the people who are able to actually hold on to them for a long period of time.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If you're new here, I talk a lot about business credit, making money online, generational wealth, things you can do, just planting seeds. By no means am I a guru, but I'm just a brother that wants to share information, to plant seeds, to create a pattern and a habit for being able to think for yourself and, create generational wealth. So really, let's go ahead and get to it. I'm actually going to be talking about the stock market. So the stock market actually crashed, right? And in that, a lot of people, if you trade stocks, you might be panicking or whatever. Let me tell you, I don't trade stocks, and I don't get into that, because I haven't studied the market to be able to make an educated decision and about stuff I can't control like that. Although I'm very interested in Forex, but we'll get into that. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get free stocks, taking advantage of the stock market right now. And from what I've seen over the trend for years, is the people that are most successful with stocks are the people who are able to actually hold on to them for a long period of time. Okay, so let me share this with you, family. You can get free stocks with, let's look at my phone. You can get free stocks with these apps right here. And if there's more, you can drop them in the comments. It's all love. So there'll be a link in the description if you want to check out all of these apps. Meanwhile, if you like the information, please make sure to share, like, subscribe. With Doe, with Robinhood, and Webull. So let me just show you this with Webull. All right, you can see my free stock. So pretty much, I actually downloaded this. And when I downloaded it, I got a free stock. You can see I got $3 and around $3.02. And then when I actually I deposit $1 into the account, $1, and then I got a stock worth $11.69. And all you do here is go to invite friends. Okay, refer a friend, get 3 free stocks. Of course, there's stuff you have to do. Okay, you got the one when they sign up, you're gonna get a free stock, and then when they actually make a deposit or their account gets funded, like with the $1, you don't have a certain limit. You can put $1 in there, and if you're savvy, you can create you an account, a virtual bank account or something that you only use to do stuff like this with, so it won't be attached to it, your main debit and debit accounts and stuff like that. So they're running a promotion where you can get up to 3 free stocks, but every time you refer people, you get 2 free stocks. Okay, so it's simple. You download it and you can actually trade and get into that kind of stuff as well. But why not just download it and get free stocks and just sit on them if you don't do nothing? Or you can cash them out, and I'm gonna show you what you can do. So you can get free stocks there. All right, then you can go over here to Robinhood and you can do the exact same thing. Okay, so let me log into my Robinhood account. You can see right here, $21 with Robinhood. Okay, so boom, you can actually make free money just by sharing free stock. So right here, get a free stock, give a free stock. So it's the same thing right here. It's simple. I'm sharing this with you. You get a free stock and I get a free stock. It's a win-win. Okay, so why not do that? Okay, and you can kind of see what you can see my stocks here. I got Sprint, I got whatever, and you can see if it's down, if it's up. But here, I didn't spend any money in Robinhood, but this $21, it's something you can cash out and you can use it to actually invest in the other stuff. So we're going to talk about that actually towards the end of the video. Okay, and here is Doe. So keep in mind, all of these apps are promoting free stocks. You might have heard of Robinhood, you might have heard of Webull, you might have heard of Doe, you maybe haven't heard of any of them. But what I'm telling you is, look, there's $50 in here, and I already took out about $30 or $40 just from free money. All I've done was share this app, and I got free stocks. You literally just come over here to get a free stock, and it shows you how to share your link, and you can get a stock of up to $500. And these are my stock. My biggest stock I received was about $40, $39.83. Okay, so These are actually stocks that you can actually get, and you can cash them out. But here's my thing: you're not spending any money by getting these stocks, regardless if the stock market is crashing or whatever. Either you can get these free stocks and you can hold on to them while they still giving them out, or you can get in and you can cash them out. Okay, so all it really just takes is for you to share information with people, share it with people. Of course, you may say you don't have nobody you can share it with. Look at me, family. I am not I'm not no expert guru. I got a small channel, but for me, being able to get $50 or $100 or $20 just by simply doing a video or sharing something with somebody, or getting in circles with people who take advantage of free opportunities. It's free. It's not like you're paying to do something, okay? But keep in mind, some people may get weird about entering there, because you do have to enter your individual information. But that's the name of the game, even when you're dealing with banks, when you're dealing with Forex, when you're dealing with all that kind of stuff. But there is a way to kind of move a little bit more private when it comes to the crypto world. So you can actually use these tools to actually cash his money out and go purchase crypto with it. But you know what? I'm gonna make a video about that in my next one, so stay tuned to the video that's gonna drop right after this. All right, peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?